Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Huge shout out to Michael for putting it all together. If you guys want to see more content like this, be sure to like and subscribe and let me know in the comment section what you guys thought. Take it easy, team.